Welcome back, guys. I'm up at the farm. I've got the back of the truck full of supers to put on all these bees down here. Me and Owen, we were up at the unit earlier sorting out supers and boxes ready for splits and stuff. Got a load of frames at mine to put wax in, and yeah, apparently we can drive all the way down the track now. Well, biggest part of it. So the big pile's gone, spread further down. When I was talking to the Edward the farmer, he said they did it as far and then they got a puncture in the dump truck, so had to stop. I'm not going to drive through that field. I'm not going to drive through the field on the left because it's been seeded. Me and Owen drove across it the other day around it. I don't want to leave tyre tracks in it, although it looks like it's been rolled now, but still. So we can go a bit further on the track. I'll probably go all the way down. I don't know, you know. You might not be able to get back. Oh, I think we're committed now. We're not in four-wheel drive. Let's go four-wheel drive. Now we're in four. I think I'll probably just drop into it. Yeah, that was alright. 4 low, easy. We'll probably just drive straight over it on the way back. So, someone's been in the Apiary again, left the gate open. I have noticed, I'll show you when we're down here, but someone's put a bat box up, a bat detector. I'll show you in a minute. So yeah, so the bat detector's still there. I'll show you in a second. Oh. So me and Owen planted trees all the way along there yesterday. No, not yesterday, Thursday. And we put these crappy old lavenders in. Yeah, someone's been in and put bat detector. It's number 105. And it looks like they've been in again because, or someone's been in again. Look at them girls, they're busy. Owen got stung the other day when we was down here. Look at all these are busy. Owen got stung. I'm only in my shorts and t-shirt at the minute. I'm going to suit up in a minute. Yeah, look, someone's been through. Left the gate open. Right, so we're going to put supers on these three if they need it. So them bees are in their second super. We'll put another super on. So these bees are the same, they're all up in their super, growing through the top. So they'll get another super. They could all be doing with another, they could do a 2 today really. So them 3 are all on 3 supers already. It's kicking off quick, very quick. I think what these double brood hives are going to want. Oh my goodness. Right, so I'm done up here now. All them 3 got a new super. This one's got a brood box as a super. It's a shit fit though. That one got another super. These don't need a super yet. Need to have a good inspection on them. I did a shake out and shook that drone laying hive out, and there's the remainder of the bees. So in there somewhere is either workers that think they're queen, or a queen that don't want to lay no eggs. So sadly them bees are not going to be going anywhere. It's sad because it's a big old colony it were. It's quite amazing. It must be quite recent that they've lost their queen for that amount of oranges. But that hive seems to be taking them in, and they got a super. These all got a super. So I've just got to do all the others tomorrow up the deer farm and see what they need. See whether they need supers or what they need. Yeah. Because pretty soon we're going to be splitting. Oh, there is another super there. That's super then. I'll take that brood box off and they can just have a super. So yeah, everything's on supers down here anyway. It gives us a bit more room. Well, it gives the bees a bit more room. Gives us a little bit more time because we need to sort the boxes out for the splits. There's going to be a few splits going on. Yeah, they'll all go in there overnight. Because the one that was laying the drones will be down here somewhere. It won't be able to fly back to the hive where the hive were. There'll probably be multiple thinking that they're the queen. I can't see her. I've had a look. I can't see a queen. I've had a good old look. I can't see one. I see drones. Can't really see them clustering, balling anything. Be careful where I stand because they go up my legs. There's a ball of bees here. straight on your shoes. But any that can fly will fly back to that hive there like they are now, look. And they'll all go in there overnight, and any that are left are doomed, sadly. Get off my shoe. So yeah, I'm done here. I need to put loads of wax in frames now, in Langstroth frames. Bye little bees. Sorry you all had to be shook out on the floor, but something went wrong and your queen, and then one of you lot down there thinks you're a queen but you're not. Anyway, we're done. So going to sort frames out. Can't do nothing with the ferals. They're just what they are. What girls? Yeah, trees are all doing all right, really. The bat monitoring station. I did think about playing it some bat sounds. You know, rare bats. Really mess with it and play it rare bat sounds from Africa or somewhere. Ones that you wouldn't get in the UK. Just to confuse things. Right, so we've got to drive over that this time. Well, we ain't got to, but we're gonna. Probably easy if I stagger the bank on the left. Or just straight over it. Let's have a look. Oh, we're back down in the hole. No problem. See, the panda would have did that. Tree on the wall, tree on the wall.